In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the module not found error, no module named moviepy.editor. So it's about moviepy, the library from Python, and if you hover over it, it says moviepy.editor could not be resolved by Pylance. So anyway, to fix this issue, let's do a few checks first. So let's close the terminal, and then make sure that you have the correct environment selected for this code. So click over here at the bottom, select Python, and then here you'll see multiple environments. So I have two versions of Python, 3.14.3 and 3.11. So make sure that you have installed moviepy on the correct Python version. So to ensure that you did that, just open up command prompt, so cmd, and then in the command prompt just type in where Python. This will tell you where all your Python installations are. So this is for the 3.11 and this is for the 3.14.3. So I'm going to just copy this path, and then in a new command type in double quotes just like that, and then paste in that path, and then double quotes, and then space -m, and then pip install moviepy. And this will ensure that you are downloading moviepy on this Python installation. So let's hit enter. And if it says requirement already satisfied all across, then that means you have already downloaded this on that version, and this will be another issue. So if this didn't work, then the issue would probably be that the version of moviepy you're using is it's not working on its current version, or not compatible with your Python version. So to fix that, you can uninstall it and then install a outdated version that works. So to uninstall moviepy, just type in pip install. First, let's just clear this, and then let's do pip install or uninstall moviepy, and this will uninstall it. Just type in y, and as you can see, it uninstalled it on the 3.11. so I wanted to uninstall it on my version, my latest Python version, so I'm going to just do this -m pip uninstall moviepy, and this will uninstall it on this Python installation. So let's hit Y. As you can see, now it says the correct path there. And now let's install an older version of moviepy that actually works. So type in pip install moviepy, and make sure that you're downloading it on the correct path that you want. So I'm going to just do this -m and then pip install moviepy, and then after that type in 2 equal signs, and then type in the version 1.0.3, and then hit enter. And now it's downloading it, so let's just wait for it to finish here. I'm going to skip. Actually, it's done already. Okay, so anyway, when it's done, now you can safely just exit out of here, and VS Code is not going to reload, so just close it and then open it again. So let's open that again, and now the error should be gone. As you can see, moviepy is not being underlined anymore. If we hover over it, it actually shows us something, shows us what moviepy does. So now if we go ahead and run the code, as you can see, hello world actually prints, so that means the code works with this import. And that's about it for this video. If you found it helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe.